I'm deep in this forest, off-road, and the forest is called People's Forest, which is a state-owned property. And yeah, as you can see, the road is just gravel. But that's not a problem for the Subaru. The air smells fresh. It's higher elevation up here. And where this road goes, I don't know. But exploring, this is what it's all about. Charles L. Pack trails. I found quite a few trails. Looks like the road splits there. I don't know what that way. I'm gonna stay to the right. Greenwoods Road and Beaverbrook Road. I'm going up Greenwoods Road. Nature lovers, these are pretty sights, and I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to hit the like button and share. Look how beautiful this is. Other markers for trails. I gotta come and explore these trails one day. As a matter of fact, I want to see, looks like there's a really nice view from here.